Hello everyone, friends, on the color of velour. Today I will show you how to increase the amount of video memory on Windows 10, 11. First of all, there are two nuances. This is to make sure that you are connected to the graphics card and not to the motherboard, yes, by cable. Be sure to check. And the second thing is that you have updated the drivers. Also make sure for NVIDIA graphics cards, it's GeForce Experience. For AMD graphics cards, it's AMD Radeon. The program is called that. That is, download graphics drivers, install the drivers, restart the computer. And if after that you still don't have much video memory, yes, less than you should have, then we'll need to work with the registry. To do this, you will need to go to the case editor, go to the register editor, and here we need the ASCII local machine software, and here we need the GMM folder. Now I don't have it, so I'll probably have to create it as well as you. Right-click New, click Q, and write GMM here. So we have created a folder, and in it we will need to create a divorce. That's it. And call it a little differently, namely dedicated segment size. That's it. And accordingly, we write the dimensions here. For 16 gigabytes of video memory, it's 2048. For 8 gigabytes of video memory, it's 1024. And for 4, it's 512, and so on. I've got 12 gigabytes of RAM. I'll write as for 8024 and click OK accordingly. It seems that the base here does not change, the base remains as it was. Here we press OK and accordingly boot, turn off and reboot the computer, look. If that doesn't help, you can try resetting your graphics card drivers by right-clicking on Start, clicking on Device Manager, yes, Device Manager, selecting your graphics card here. In my case, where is it here? So display adapters, yes, RTX 360. I don't even have an integrated video core. Right-click Update Drivers, Find Drivers, select from list. Select NVIDIA GeForce RTX 360 in my case. In your case, there may be something different. Click Next, install the drivers and restart the computer, subscribe to the channel. Velour was with you. Have a good life to everyone. I hope this helped you. Bye everyone.